Transferring money from Combank Digital to another bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, log into your Combank Digital account through the website or mobile application. Next, go to the transfer section. Now select Other Bank as the transfer destination. Here, what you need to do is enter the recipient's name, bank account number, and bank branch code. After that, enter the transfer amount and select the currency. Here, choose the transfer fee option, shared or to be paid by the recipient. Review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. Enter your Combank Digital PIN or use the biometric authentication method, for example, fingerprint or Face ID, to complete the transfer. So this way, you can easily transfer money from Combank Digital to another bank account.